Hello, this is Gohar and you are watching my channel Excel Maza. In today's video I am going to tell you how can you use the AND function inside the if. But before going to the subject, please subscribe to my channel Excel Maza and press the bell icon. Okay. Now let's go to the subject. Here is the sheet where we want to give the bonus amount to our employee, okay, as per the two criteria. If an employee meet both criteria, he will get the 10% amount of his sale. And the first criteria is service will be greater than 10 years. And the sale amount will be greater than 20,000. If an employee meet the both criteria, he will get the 10% amount of his sale. Okay. And is a function which can provide us the true value in case of if the all logical tests are true. If one of the logical test is false, then the AND function will provide the false value. For example, if I apply the AND function here and I say the logical test number 1 is greater than 2000, okay, and the other logical test is this 13,000, I say less than 3,000, okay. If one here one of my logical test is false, the reply will be in false. Okay, you can see here the reply in false because one of my logical test is false. If I convert this into greater than, now the return value will be true. Okay, here we are going to apply our formula. For example, here we type if parenthesis open and then parenthesis open, our logical test 1 is greater than 10, okay, comma the logical test 2 is sale amount greater than 20,000, okay, parenthesis closed because all the logical tests are completed. Now after the comma, if the value is true, then what will happen? Then this person will get the 10% bonus of his sale. Okay, we will multiply this cell with 10%. This is in case of true, but if the logical test, if the one logical test is false, what will happen? Here we want 0. Parenthesis will close and press enter. Okay, here you can see the result is 0 because both criteria are false. His service is less than 5 years, his sale amount is less than 20,000. Here simple we drag the formula to the end. Okay, oh, here you can see the result. The result is this: if the service tenure is greater than 10 years and the sale amount is greater than 20,000, this person is getting 10% of the sale as a bonus. Okay, and this was our requirement. Here is again 0 because one of the logical test is not true. This was the video for today. I hope you will like my videos. If you like the videos, please subscribe the channel, comments on my videos and share the videos with your friends. Thank you very much.